Hello, my friend of the night. It's me again. The Sailem Stories. We meet again in this quiet space, a space woven from safety and the intention to rest your very own. It's time. It truly is time. It's time to set aside everything that belongs to the day. Set aside the lists, the things to do, the conversations, the thoughts, the worries, and even the expectations. We will place them down so gently right outside the door of this room. They will be there, safe, waiting until morning. They do not belong in this sacred moment. Now is the time for you. It is time to release. It is time to restore. You deserve to rest. Feel where you are lying. Feel the softness of the pillow supporting your head so gently. It is saying, let go. I will support you completely. Feel the pleasant weight of the blanket, like a hug, gentle, warm, and safe. You don't need to do anything. You just need to be here, to be supported, and to be held. Now, notice your breath. Just notice. No need to change it. Just observe, like a silent friend. Breathe in, a slow, deep breath. Feel the cool, fresh air of the night enter, bringing with it stillness, clarity, and breathe out so slowly, truly slow. Feel your body softening, letting all fatigue, all thoughts on the breath drift away, vanishing into the air in the room. One more time. Breathe in peace and breathe out release. Your breath is slowing down, deep and still. You are doing so well. And as you breathe out again, your consciousness begins to drift, gently, like a feather, floating in the air, drifting out of this room. And you hear it. At first, just in the distance, a sound, soft and steady, patter, patter. It's the sound of rain, a sound so gentle, like a lullaby from the sky. Patter, patter. And your mind finds itself standing under a wide stone awning. You are not cold. No, the air is just cool. A coolness of freshness after the rain. You are just observing the curtain of rain, silver, falling onto the cobblestone courtyard in front of you. Everything is hazy and peaceful. You turn around. Behind you is a door that is huge, made of dark oak, ancient and solid. It looks so safe. From the crack beneath the door, a sliver of light, honey-colored, warm, spills out onto the wet stone. It is inviting. You place your hand and push gently on the door. It's heavy, but it doesn't resist. You hear a creak, soft and low, as it slowly swings open. Immediately, a wave of air, warm, embraces you, caressing your cheeks, and the sound of the rain outside immediately quiets, becoming distant and gentle, like a soft memory. You step into the ancient library, and you take a deep breath in. Oh, the scent of this place. It is the scent of stillness, the scent of old paper, with a faint hint of sweet vanilla, the scent of oak wood polished over hundreds of years, and faintly in the air, a wisp of wood smoke, a scent of warmth and sanctuary. You breathe out and feel every muscle release. You have come to the right place. Inside is a great hall, but not a cold great hall. No, it is cozy. Your eyes slowly adjust to the soft light. You see bookshelves of dark wood, tall, so tall, reaching a vault. The closer you get, the more you feel the gentle warmth caress your cheeks, your hands, and then you arrive by the fireplace, and you hear the sound of it, the sound of warmth, crackle, pop, the sound of dry pine wood burning in a way that is cheerful but not loud. Crackle, a small pop sends a few sparks flying like tiny stars. Crackle. You watch the flames. They are not burning fiercely. They are dancing. A dance that is slow and unhurried. Yellow, orange, amber, twisting together in an endless waltz. So mesmerizing, so safe. And you find it right beside the fireplace, as if it was placed there, just waiting for you. A large armchair, covered in velvet moss green, worn with time and affection. You sit down and your body sinks deep, sinking into endless softness. It cradles you, supporting your entire body. You don't need to hold anything. On the armrest is a woolen blanket, thick, cream-colored. You pull it over your legs, up to your chest, feeling the warmth and the pleasant weight of it. And you sit there in your own oasis, in absolute sanctuary, and you listen to the symphony of safety. Your mind focuses on the conversation of two sounds. From outside, far away, through the tall, leaded glass windows, you can still hear the rain. Patter, patter, a sound that is cool, steady, and distant. It is washing away the outside world. It is telling you you don't need to go out there. You are safely separated. And from inside, right beside you, you hear the fireplace crackle, pop, a sound that is warm, close, and alive. It is shielding you. It is telling you you are here. You are being warmed. The cool sound far away. The warm sound close by. The perfect combination. They blend together, creating a blanket of sound enveloping you. You breathe in, feeling the scent of wood smoke. You breathe out, releasing to the sound of the rain. Patter, crackle, patter, crackle, and my voice begins to murmur, as if I am reading from one of the old books on the shelf, a book with no plot, a book about stillness. This page says, peace is not a place without noise, without troubles. No, peace is the ability to find a quiet mind in the middle of the noise of life. Just like you, right now, finding the warmth in the middle of the rain. You lazily glance towards the tall, leaded glass window. You can't see anything out there, only the rivulets of rain running slowly down the glass. They are painting their own random pictures. They glitter in the dim light from the fireplace, like rivers of liquid diamond. The world outside is blurry and smeared. It is no longer important. It cannot touch you. You are separated. You are sheltered. You are in sanctuary. The page turns silently, and I read again. Do not try to make. You are not doing. You are just being here, soaked in warmth, soaked in safety. A feeling of deep peace is spreading throughout your body. A feeling of acceptance, accepting absolute rest. And it seems as you accept this rest, everything begins to slow down, even slower. The sound of the fireplace begins to change. It no longer crackles. It is now just a soft hum of glowing embers. The flames have softened. The pops have grown faint, smaller, and then gone, leaving only warmth, and the scent of wood smoke seems to grow thicker, warmer, heavier, like a blanket of scent being draped over you. And you hear it, a thump, so soft, so gentle, like the sound of a thick book being closed carefully. The prose has been read. The final page has been turned. The library has completed its task. It has given you shelter. It has read you the lullaby of stillness, and the feeling of heaviness, sweet, arrives. It doesn't startle you. It embraces you, slowly and surely. You realize you are no longer sitting in the chair. You are lying down. You realize the moss-green velvet chair, so soft that sank deep to hold you, is the soft pillow supporting your head right now. It is perfect, and the thick woolen blanket, so warm, enveloping you, is the blanket you are under. It is even warmer, warmer than any fire, because it is your own warmth. The library didn't disappear. No, it has merged with your room. The library is inside you. Its safety is yours. The rain outside patter patter has now become part of the room. It is no longer outside. It is a gentle white noise soothing you. It has become the lullaby of sleep itself. Your body now is heavy and warm. Heavy like the books sleeping on the shelves. Warm like the embers in the hearth. You are sinking into the softness of the mattress, sinking into the warmth of the blanket, sinking into the endless peace of dreams. A dream with no limits. Your eyelids are heavy, heavier than the oldest leather-bound books. They have seen the dance of the flames. They have seen the rivers on the glass. Now they deserve to rest. Let them close, close, so gently. A smile so soft forms on your lips. The smile of acceptance. The smile of contentment. The smile of someone who has found their sanctuary. All sounds fade away, leaving only sleep drawing near. Your breath is the only lullaby you need to hear now. Nothing left to do, nothing left to think. The library is standing guard. The rain is singing its lullaby. Just release. Release completely. Sleep now. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep well.